As a 25-year-old first-time investor, how should I take the first step?
The first product which you should invest, okay, or the first product which I invested was an equity linked savings scheme, ELSS. Because once you start earning, okay, the tax authority sitting on your head that, give me money from what you've earned, right? So you have to also make provisions to save tax. So I want to make good returns and I also want to save tax. So why not I do that with an ELSS fund? So an equity linked saving schemes helps you do that, helps you save tax, help you plan for long-term wealth creation. And what you can do is you can actually invest into that on a monthly basis. So you can have rupee cost averaging also by doing an SIP. So the first thing should be that. Second thing should also be making an emergency corpus, because since you've just started earning, you would also want to spend it on certain things which you want to buy for yourself. So some money into liquid funds. I think this is a good base to start with.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.